Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your premier destination for sophisticated home decor and interior design inspiration. Today, we are exploring 12 exquisite ways to blend Americana equestrian charm with the soft elegance of springtime Easter styling. This unique aesthetic combines the heritage of the countryside with refined seasonal accents to create a truly timeless atmosphere. If you find these ideas inspiring, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design guides. The Heritage Entryway Console. Step into a home that celebrates tradition by adorning an antique wooden console with vintage leather riding boots and fresh spring lilies. Incorporate a woven basket filled with hand-painted pastel eggs to soften the rustic textures of the wood and brass. This arrangement establishes an immediate sense of equestrian history while greeting guests with the freshness of the Easter season. The contrast between weathered leather and delicate petals offers a perfect introduction to the countryside lifestyle. Trotter-inspired tablescapes set your Easter brunch table with crisp white linens and a runner featuring subtle horsebit embroidery patterns. Layer your finest porcelain plates with napkins held by silver stirrup-shaped rings for a sophisticated equestrian touch. Miniature birds' nests with speckled blue eggs can be placed at each setting to harmonize the spring theme with the ranch aesthetic. This look balances the ruggedness of the stable with the refined grace of a high society spring gathering. Leather and lace mantle display. Transform your fireplace mantle into a focal point by pairing vintage leather tack equipment with delicate white lace runners. Place a collection of mercury glass Easter bunnies among weathered wooden frames depicting rolling green pastures and thoroughbreds. The mix of hard and soft materials creates a dynamic visual interest that feels both cozy and impeccably curated. It is a subtle way to honor the equestrian spirit while embracing the light-hearted joy of Easter morning. The Paddock Patio Refresh. Extend the elegance to your outdoor living space by arranging teak furniture with navy and white striped cushions. Adorn your patio table with a centerpiece of mossy stones, blooming hydrangeas, and small wooden carvings of horses and spring chicks. Natural elements like wicker and stone bridge the gap between the wild countryside and the structured beauty of Easter styling. This setup provides the ideal backdrop for a sunny spring afternoon spent enjoying the fresh country air. Equestrian ribbon wreaths. Design a unique front door wreath using traditional horse show ribbons in shades of blue, cream, and soft yellow. Intertwine silk spring flowers and grapevine sprigs to transform the competitive memorabilia into a welcoming seasonal greeting. This creative display honors the achievements of the stables while celebrating the rebirth of the garden. It serves as a sophisticated nod to Americana heritage that catches the eye of every visitor. Soft saddle room accents. Incorporate the warmth of the stables into your living room by draping a cashmere throw over a cognac leather armchair. Arrange a nearby side table with a silver tray holding a crystal vase of tulips and a small dish of chocolate Easter eggs. These small touches invite a sense of relaxed luxury, echoing the quiet moments found in a countryside manor. The rich scent of leather paired with the floral notes of spring creates a multi-sensory experience of elegance. Vintage trophy centerpieces. Repurpose vintage silver trophies as unique vessels for lush Easter floral arrangements featuring peonies and ranunculus. The tarnished silver adds a sense of history and old money charm to your dining room or sideboard. Surround the trophies with soft moss and decorative eggs to ground the metallic shine with organic spring textures. This approach elevates simple blooms into a statement piece that celebrates the glory of the equestrian track. Blue ribbon bedroom styling. Refresh your bedroom for spring by using bedding in classic navy and cream tones with subtle horseshoe prints. Add decorative pillows that feature embroidered Easter motifs or soft floral patterns to lighten the equestrian theme. A bedside carafe of water and a single sprig of cherry blossom complete the serene high country atmosphere. It is a refined way to transition your private sanctuary into the lighter moods of the spring season. Woven basket egg hunt. Organize a stylish Easter egg hunt using traditional wicker fishing creels or equestrian grooming totes instead of standard plastic baskets. Line the containers with shredded raffia and fill them with elegantly dyed eggs in earthy tones and muted pastels. These high-quality vessels can be displayed on a mudroom bench afterward as part of your seasonal decor. This practical yet beautiful idea ensures that even the activities of the day fit the countryside aesthetic. Stable-style kitchen florals. Bring the garden inside by placing oversized glass jars filled with flowering branches on your kitchen island or breakfast nook. Tie a leather cord around the neck of the jars and hang a small porcelain bunny or egg ornament for a touch of whimsy. The height of the branches mimics the expansive feel of the open countryside and the budding life of spring. This simple addition breathes energy into the heart of the home while maintaining a classic Americana feel. Plaid and pastel porch. Style your rocking chairs with classic tartan blankets in lighter spring weights and colors like sage green or pale blue. Add a few outdoor pillows featuring vintage sketches of rabbits or horses to reinforce the equestrian countryside theme. Flank the doorway with large stone planters filled with boxwood and seasonal spring bulbs for a structured yet natural look. This creates a timeless curb appeal that feels both stately and seasonally appropriate for the Easter holiday. The polished pony bar cart. Arrange your bar cart with equestrian-themed glassware and a silver ice bucket engraved with classic monogramming. Garnish the setup with a small basket of sugar-coated eggs and a bouquet of yellow daffodils to signal the arrival of Easter. Use leather coasters and brass accents to ground the airy spring colors in traditional Americana luxury. We hope these ideas inspire your seasonal decorating. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration.